ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Samla Puli jong College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umyam haga janmi jong pratarik ubnai no pra arzar arpuai kila yasno oktilang ban penrem ya ka Jingjia Hamon District jong ka Jilla Nagaland hadin bakat saungut ki nongbela kila syaksiat yam ha ka kinhon shipai India. Hagani ka janmit ki Samla Puli ki penlong da ka Jingjia Rali kum ka Jingjia ki ka bajai jai bat penbot pat da ka Jingthang Mambati ha phalau jong ka ne ka Jaka Puli bat penram jor ya ka Jingjia ha ka Jilla Nagaland ka balajia ha ka sautrik ubnai no pra arhajar arpuwai. Kani ka kinhon ki Samla Puli ki la pharu ya ukurwo asha ka sarkar India ba ka dei ban wengno ya ka an yak jakor Armed Force Special Powers Act na ka Jilla Nagaland bat kumjuru na ka than chatay lam mingi jongkari India.
We, the students of CPGS AS Umyam, are deeply saddened by the horrific incident that happened in the Mon district of Nagaland, and we have organized a peaceful candle rally in our college campus to pay homage to the departed souls, and we stand with the families of the people who have lost their near and dear ones, and we are very much hopeful that in the near future such incidents will not be taking place in our country. Thank you.